Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Poco M3. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Poco M3 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find here something say wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we're going to see there is a bunch of folder available. Let me go here pre-installed wallpaper. You can see there is a bunch of wallpaper available which is pre-loaded by Xiaomi Poco M3. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this picture. Now if you click here tap to preview, you can see this is how it's going to be looks like. So if I'm going to click here apply, this is going to be a pop-up appear. Do you like say this picture on home screen, lock screen or both? In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I click here home screen, and if I go back, I will notice just now I had successfully set a new picture in my Poco M3. Now you might be decide to set your favorite picture. In order to do that, you need to click here in the phone settings section, scroll down, and then you're going to find here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, we're going to see this is a local photo. If you click here local photo, it's going to be appear in your phone. Whatever pictures is available, all going to be appear. For example, I would like to set this picture in my wallpaper. So you can see this is the preview. If I click here apply, it's going to be a pop-up. I am going to click here set as home screen. Now you can see I had successfully set my favorite picture in home screen. You can see now also there is another quick shortcut way to change your home screen wallpaper. In order to do that, you need to long press in your phone, and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. From here in the downside, we're going to find here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you can see it's going to be loaded the wallpaper section. From here you can go here local photo, or you can choose a pre-loaded wallpaper. So you can see let me make this picture, and let me make here apply, and let me make a set on home screen. So this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Xiaomi Poco M3. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.